forgot on Dodges, literally I can take my key out anytime I want, any of my trucks. What is going on, guys? Ghost here, and today we are back for another vlog. Hopefully everybody's having a great Friday. Here it looks sunny. Believe it or not, this morning on Facebook I seen in certain parts of West Virginia it literally was snow. Like, what kind of bull crap is that? This is what, May? Snow. So hopefully it starts getting warm. Get the long sleeves on, but it is, I mean, it's warming up a little bit, but literally it's not as pretty as it should really be. But anyways, today we're going to be working on our Cummins. We're just going to do a quick video today because we had to take care of some business this morning. Really good business. I can't wait to, fingers crossed, can't wait to really say what is happening, hopefully. By next week we'll know everything. But anyways, we are going to be installing this. Now, somebody said, since I did the quarter intake, that I needed something like this because, you know, they said we need the other side, so we have it. We have the other side, so we are going to put that on today. Now, I have read with that one, the dipstick tube or something, you have to make your own bracket, which I wish I had aluminum because I had to make a bracket for her Durango a couple days ago. And I used some metal, but aluminum, I feel like I can like shape it better and everything. But we'll have to see. If I have to, we'll run the Lowe's, get a piece of aluminum, just a little metal piece, so we can actually make a bracket for the dipstick. But hopefully we don't have to, or we can come up with a clever idea. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I actually have the bracket. I didn't think I had it because some people said the bracket, but we have the bracket for that, so we're good. Believe it or not, I was checking my wrenches to see which one fit that, and I lost the wrench, and it literally didn't hit the ground, and that's the scariest sound in the world, when you know the ratchet did not hit the ground. So there's a wrench in there somewhere that I gotta find before we start this bad boy up. But I went ahead and loosened these. So these are hand loose, and I actually loosened these. So should be hopefully a pretty simple, easy, straightforward thing. But anytime something says it fits my truck or fits Katie's vehicle, it doesn't. Because that's just how it goes. A little. Alright, so we got bolts here. I loosened all these up. We got actually a place over here. I'm gonna have to take this one bolt out. So before we take that last bolt out, I'm hoping this will fit, which it probably won't because that's just how everything goes. It didn't fit. So I gotta find a wrench for that. There's some wires and everything bolted onto that. Take that loose. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this clamp off. Boy, it's on there. There we go. Get this one off. I don't think it's made. So there is it. Alright, so we got that off. Right there was the wires. Where the wires, these wires are bolted on. So we can bolt that on the next one. We're still keeping our little grid heater and everything. So we're not get rid of that. But our other piece should fit on. We got a new boot. This. It's got a little bit more. There we go. We got a new boot, so we're replacing that. So we're gonna go ahead and snap our new one on. All right, so we went ahead. You might want to move that over. went ahead and took got the old thing off, got the new one on. I kind of want to position it where I can get to it good. Just got to make sure it went over that rib, which it did. I don't think we really need an extension for that one. But we're going to tighten that up real good. That way when we do the other, it won't move or anything. So, make sure we get right there. Hand tighten this sucker first. Yeah. Alright. Alright. We gotta get this around here. Yeah. Alright, so I went ahead and slapped this on. I've got to tighten up the bolts and everything. And this will go over here. We have our little bracket and everything like that. Hopefully it will fit, because again, I think that's where people are saying the bracket is supposed to be like that. So it might not fit. So if it ain't, we'll make our own. Because again, we don't want to mess it, we don't want to mess anything up or try and twist this over or anything like that. But we'll try to get the best we can. If not, then we'll have to make our own bracket. But we are going to go ahead and slide this on. Does that go over there? Yeah. Yeah. Well. Alright, we're going to go ahead and this will be the last bolt we have to, bless you.
Thank you.
Have to tighten. We'll check out the specs and everything because we don't want to tighten it down too much. We want to kind of make sure everything's good. I'll go over everything again before we're done. All we have to do is do the tube now, but I don't know. Step over here. I'll let you go over there. So I'm going to show y'all what we're doing here. Alright, so I don't want to go to Lowe's because I need this video to come out tomorrow. Lowe's is basically probably closed now because everything's like at 8 o'clock here, Walmart shuts down. Like when Walmart shuts down, the whole world's like completely shut down. West Virginia is done. Anyways, we need to go to Lowe's, but they're not open. And I don't feel like going early in the morning and doing all this because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So here's what we're doing. Are you telling me I don't have big enough ears to hold this? Alright. So I've got a piece of cardboard here. I'm just going to stick it on there, duct tape it, and I think it's going to work. But it probably won't. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take this bolt out right here. Because I really don't need it right now. That'd probably be good to do. Alright. Alright, so basically right here, I want it to look good. Because I don't want just like a crapola bracket or like some kind of junk like that. So what I'm going to do is, I've got some aluminum over there. And I like how this is because it's kind of congested and stuff. So what I'm going to do is, I've got this. We're going to measure this. You might need to come to the front here. Alright, can you see it? Mm-hmm. Alright, we want to measure everything because I want the bracket to be something like this. So basically, you'll have a bolt here and a bolt right there. And that'll hold it. But then what we'll do is, so we can hide this big ugly piece, we'll kind of come off here and like kind of make like a rectangle bracket or something, and might cut a little logo out or something like an eagle or something put there. And we got some metal over here. It is aluminum. This is off of something I probably don't need right now. So we're going. I need this. This is it. So we got air. 10 snips somewhere. I think they're actually on a truck. So what we're going to do is make a little template of this, trace it on here, and then basically cut it, and we'll just smooth the edges out. And to be honest with this, we can probably take like a wire wheel or something like that and just clean this up and just make it kind of look stainless to match the rest of it. All right, so got all that. I got a wire brush on the end of this. I just want to kind of just make it look real good. That'd be good for now, because like I do want to. We might actually clear coat that too, make it look a little better. I do got some gloss clear coat. All right, we're going to go ahead and basically mark our holes where we need it. I might have did the wrong side. We can always switch it over there because it's the same thing. I'll just cut that out right there. What we'll do is we'll put it there, drill our hole, mark our holes, and then we'll drill them and be good to go.
We need to find you a place where you can mount that eventually. You alright? Yeah. I like, oh jeez. Huh? I've been sitting there like screaming.
Alrighty, so we are completely done. What are we? Maybe. Alright, so we built this little bracket here. Eventually I'll put something there, but for right now I think it looks good. I mean, it's not going anywhere. The only thing I should know is I should have put this underneath here, underneath this bracket, but looks good. I mean, it don't stick out or anything. I think it looks really good. Again, it seems like we're always having to make stuff. Now, I know a million different people could have made that better. If I had a CNC machine, we could have CNC'd and had a little logo or something in the middle. But guess what? I ain't got a CNC machine. Hell, I ain't even got a concrete floor yet. So, hey, we're working on a budget and trying to get there. But anyways, that is it. We're going to go ahead and fire it up. And I don't think it's really going to do any difference. But we'll take it out the road, make sure it's good, and we don't have any like leaks or anything like that. And also, if you're wondering if I replaced the gasket on there, I did replace the gasket, so that is done. So make sure like you do that when you change that. I mean, I guess you wouldn't have to, but I'd rather do it and get it over with. So make sure you replace the air horn gasket, because that's what it was called, because I looked it up and that's actually what it's called. Alright guys, that is going to do it for today. Hopefully everybody is kind of enjoying the vlogs. I'm trying to do it every other day. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then I have the weekend off. The weekend a little bit to do stuff, because it does take a while to get stuff in to do projects or anything like that. So I'm trying to build up and everything. I also ordered, actually came in today, a little reverse camera for the Cummins. Since she's got a reverse camera, I need a reverse camera. It's just, it's how it goes. But anyways, mine... Yeah, mine goes up on the, I think it's dirty, mine goes up on the mirror and everything like that. It's got a front-facing camera and then rear-facing, or then one that you put on the outside. So we've got that to install, and then we also got our iPad and everything. I'll probably work on it over the weekend if it's pretty, because if I have to do fiberglass and something, it has to be a little bit warm. If not, I'll bring the heater in here. But anyways, guys, I hope everybody has a great weekend. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you punch that subscribe button. This is Ghost, and I forgot one thing. In the description is a address. That is, if you want any fan mail or anything like that. I had a while ago when I was doing vlogs, people would send me pictures they drew of like trucks and everything. If you want to send a picture and I'll open it up on camera and everything, if you have a YouTube channel, put it in there, whatever, and have a note or whatever, we'll read it on camera and we'll show your art. And I'm actually going to make a wall, I think over here or something. We're going to call it the Wall of America. And everything, all the pictures and stuff will be displayed on that, in that area there. That way it'll be in the videos and stuff. Your artwork will be in the videos. But if you would like to do that, send it in to the address below in the descriptions. Anyways, guys, this is Ghost.
And Katie.
And we are out of here. Time to go. It's kind of chilly and it's getting nighttime. Never fails.
Yeah.